Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 Eclipse Attitude. This is the 2919 SAG. Get into this model, you got 150 gallons of fresh water, 50 gray, 50 black, onboard generator. This particular one has the bigger 5500 watt generator. Very nicely equipped with a handful of options. If you want one pretty well equipped, this would be the right one for you, with the teal color graphics that I really like, and equipped just right for the avid side-by-side person, or somebody just needing a toy hauler to haul their toys and do what they want to do, or just a nice open camper to go camping in. So feel free to check out this video. It's a nice floor plan. Colors really highlight this one the way they are inside and out too. So come on inside, let me show you the inside. So now that we're on the inside of this 2919 SAG, you can see the size, the floor plan, the layout. This has the large living room slide with the big 4-door refrigerator, large couch with the kidney-shaped table, cabinets overhead, nice color wood interior of this one with the cabinetry, the overhead bunk with the opposing dinette on the bottom with the 2 posted tables down below. We can do 1 table or 2 tables as well. As we pan around, notice the large windows throughout, the patio windows as well as the cargo area windows. Very large TV, nice swivel rocker captain's chairs. If you haven't sat in one of these chairs, they're very comfortable. Be careful, you might not want to get out. They make you fall asleep. This one does have the ramp cable kit, so you can move those chairs out on the patio and enjoy the afternoon. You'll notice the tie downs throughout the whole fifth wheel. The spacing is great. This will fit just about any 4-seater racer and most of the other side-by-sides out there. It has a nice large countertop area with the backlit LED lights on the counters, overhead cabinetry, and storage above the overhead cabinetry for even more storage. This particular one has a stainless steel package, so it does have all the appliances with the stainless steel. The large basin sink, nice spacious bathroom with a nice walk-in shower with glass enclosure, porcelain toilet, nice large queen-size bedroom area with a full walk-around bed, a wardrobe slide-out, so you have lots of room for your clothes in the wardrobe, as well as overhead cabinetry above the head of the bed as well. This one is laid out and is equipped very, very nice. Has a handful of options, which the Attitude product does have a lot of options to offer. But here we normally order them all with the heated enclosed underbelly in the Northwest, as well as a handful of other options. So remember, if you have any questions on the Eclipse product and what Guarantee has to offer here in Junction City, make sure you contact me direct at 541-979-1770. That's Clay Thompson. And don't forget, here at Guarantee we take anything in trade, paid for or not.